walang sumagot. Mukhang gulong na. Okay, okay lang po makakantahan natin yung dalawang celebrator ng happy birthday song. Yes, meron po kaming rules and regulations. Meron po tayong CCTV camera sa likod. Ayan po. Kaway-kaway po. At lahat po ng galaw nakikita po ng CCTV. Lahat po ng buka ng bibig. Ang hindi po kumanta ng birthday song, siya po ang magbabayad ng bill ni Mommy and ni Daddy. Okay lang po ba yun? Okay. Ayan, ready ko lang ating yung CL. Sabay-sabay po natin kantahan si Lennon and si Sammy ng happy birthday song. Kailangan daw mabilis kayo humanap ng partner or ng grupo. Okay, for example, pag sinabi kong Ronald McDonald's, group yourself into 2, dalawa. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Kailangan nyo humanap ng partner into 2. Okay, ayan, very good. Okay, pag walang partner, sino walang partner? Ayan, si ate. Okay, pag walang partner, out na sa game. Okay? Alright. And syempre, mga out sa game, meron din silang consolation prize. Okay, big circle. Okay, big circle. Okay, sa game na to, 3 lang ang mananalo. Okay, 3 winners. Ilan daw ang mananalo sa game? 3. Okay, very good. Okay, ready? Ready, Ronald McDonald's. Group yourself into 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, ayun, 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 ayun. Okay. Alright, sino walang partner? Ayan, sayang naman. Okay, Okay, pag sinabi ng Ronald McDonald's, group yourself into 4! Apat! 1, 2, 3, 4! Naku, sayang. Okay. Alright, big circle. Okay. Okay, circle. Ayan. Okay. Ulitin ko, ilan ang mananalo sa game? Tatlo lang. Okay, ready? Ronald McDonald's, group yourself into 1. Isa. 1. Oh, 1. Very good. Group yourself into 2. Dalawa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Pag sinabi kong group yourself into 4. Apat. Okay. Alright. Okay, big circle. Okay, big circle. Okay, pag sinabi ko, Ronald McDonald's, group yourself into 5, 5! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Okay. Alright, how's na? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dahil dyan, ilan kayo? 5. Ilan sila? Okay, 3. Sa game, ilan lang ang mananalo? Okay, sinong panalo? Sila! Alright, thank you so much. Congratulations sa ating winner. Okay, tatlo lang ang mananalo sa game. Sa game ito, pwedeng sumali lahat ng ating mga guests. Pwedeng adults, kids, senior, or kita kay dito. Okay. Alright. Okay, sa bring me po, okay, pabilisan po magbigay ng gamit na sasabihin natin. Okay, pag sinabi namin, Ronald McDonald's, bring me. Okay, handa po ang gamit. Dahil sa game na to, tatlo lang din po ang winner. Okay, ready? Kuya Jericho? Okay, may mga itlog kami dito. Okay, itlog ng dinosaur. Okay, the first, bring me. Okay, the first, bring me. The first yung meron kayo nito, nakikita ko sa video. Ronald McDonald's, bring me a cell phone! Charger! Charger! Cell phone charger! Cell phone charger! Okay. Charger! Ayun na! Okay! Okay, tatlo lang ulit. Okay. Ronald McDonald's. For sure, wala kayo na ito. Bring me a baby! Powder! Okay, powder. Ayan! Okay, baby powder. Ayun. Ayan. Dalawa. Okay, last one. Sino pa may baby powder? Ayun, wala na. Okay, next, bring me tayo. O sige, tatalihan ko na. Okay, hindi ko na kayo papaasahin. Okay, next, bring me. Ronald McDonald's, bring me a 1,000 BL. Sino kaya may 1,000 pesos? One. Okay, dalawa pa. Okay, wala na. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay naman. Ayan. Okay, titignan natin kung tunay. Parang nakasumangot yung tao. Okay, thank you so much. Wala nang balikan. Ano yun? Alright, thank you so much. Okay, next, bring me. Okay, itong bring me natin, madalas kong gamitin ng pandemic. Ano kaya ito? Okay, ready? Ronald McDonald's, bring me a vaccination ID. Okay, sino kayo may vaccine ID? Okay, 5, 4, 3, ayun na! Okay! Okay, titignan natin kung sa inyo yan. Okay, dahil dyan, meron kayong shot glass. Sa inyo po. Ayan. Okay, very good. Hakot award. O, sino pa? Ayun, si Nini. Bigyan mo na. Ayun, dami mo ng itlog. Okay, prito mo mamaya. Okay, next, bring me. Okay, for all only kids. Okay, Ronald McDonald's Bring Me. Gamit na nagsisimula sa S. Okay, ano kayo mga gamit na nagsisimula sa S? Okay, 5, 4, sablay! Very good! Sapatos! Oh, sapatos! Sapatos! Suklay! Ang dami ng sapatos! Ayan, ang dami suklay! Okay, bukod sa suklay, ano pa? Bukod sa sapatos! Ano pa? Oh, ayan. Okay. Sisig! Salamin! Susi! Okay, ang galing ni Mami. What else? Sombrero! Oh, ano pa? Salamin! Okay, ayan. Cellphone! Ay, very good. Cellphone daw. Sige. Ito na, baby. Oh, ayan. Okay na, kids. Balik na sa upuan. Okay. Ang cellphone letter si Tuyon, hindi po S. Alright, and this time, hubalin natin lahat ng shoes. Slipper and sandals. Okay, hubalin na natin lahat ng shoes. Ay, naka-crocs. Okay. Ayan, hubalin natin yung slipper. Slipper and sandals. Kaya dyan ito, tulungan mo sila. Okay, lagay natin lahat sa gitna. Okay, ang games natin, tatawagin natin Cinderella game. Kilala niyo ba si Cinderella? Yes, of course. Si Cinderella, nawalan siya ng sandals. Ang gagawin natin, find your own shoes. But before that, turn around, talikod muna kayo. Okay, talikod. Okay, talikod daw. Ayan, harap kayo sa likod. Okay, ang games natin, hahanapin daw natin yung ating mga shoes. And kailangan sasuot nyo sa paa. Okay? Alright, yung mga shoes, itatago natin dito lang sa loob ng parking area. Okay? Sa game na to, iba lang yung pipiliin kong mananalo. Okay, ilan daw yung winner?
5.
Okay, very good. Okay, find your own shoes. Pagbibilang tayo ng 1 to 3. Pag sinabi kong go, tsaka nila mahanapin yung shoes. Okay? Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Okay, saglit lang. Tago muna ni Kuya Jenny ko yung shoes. Okay. Alright, baka magkapalit-palit kayo ng shoes, ha? Okay, ready? Count 1 to 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go! Okay, ilang minutes na ang pipiliin ko. Okay, sino kaya ang mananalo sa game? Okay, ayun na, ayun na. Okay, 1. Okay, apat na lang. Okay, 2. Alright, ayan, very good kid. At syempre yung napili ko, meron kayong sticker. Ayan. Okay, nasa na yung may mga shoes. Okay, lahat ba may shoes na? Okay. Okay. Sa game po natin, kailangan po mabilis kayo dito. Okay. Pag sinabi kong Ronald McDonald's, group yourself. Okay. At syempre, pag walang partner and grupo, out na sa game. Ang ma-out sa game, sasayaw po ng TikTok dance. Okay. Sasayaw po kayo ng Navy Blue style. Okay. Alright, ready? Ronald McDonald. Team Reren, okay dito. Ang galing, pinag-isipan. Okay. Team Reren and Semi. Okay, dahil dyan, ayan, ayan na po ba yung pila nyo? Okay, and then yung kapila naman dito tayo. Okay, pila doon ang harap. Okay. Okay, etong games na to, madalas ko palarin dito sa McDonald's, kita poblasyon. Ang tawag po dito ay mag-basketball. Tawag grupo. Okay. Team Reren and Team Semi. Okay, may number po kayo. Number 1 po kayo sa unahan. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, yung dalawang nasa dulo. Okay, ang mechanics ng game, lahat po ng sasabihin ko, kailangan nyo pong nailahin. Okay, kunya na sinabi ko, number 1, dribble ball, ganyan lang po. Dribble ball. Okay, harap po kayo. Magkaharap po dapat. Ayan, harap po kayo. Ayan. Okay, harap po. Okay, pag sinabi kong number 1, dribble ball, pass to number 2. Sino po yung number 2? Ayan. Pag sinabi kong number 2, dribble ball, pass to number 3. Okay, number 3, dribble ball, pass number 4. Okay, number 4, dribble ball, pass number 5. Okay, pag sinabi kong number 5, dribble ball, and shoot the ball. Pag narinig niyo po yung shoot the ball, pupunta po kayo dalawa sa unahan. Okay. Ayan. Okay, mag-twerk po kayo. Okay, tatapin po yung balloons. Okay, paunahan lang po magtap ng balloons. Ayan. Kung sino mauna may 1 point. Okay, balik po sa team. Okay, hanggang 3 points lang po ito. Kung sino makapag-shoot ng balloons, ng balloons sa chair, may 1 point hanggang maka 3 points. Okay, kung sino makaka 3 points, panalo ng atin. Okay, hindi po yung king ngayon, yung tumbler. Okay. Ayan. And then yung matatalo sa games, sasayo naman ng maybe this time. Okay, TikTok challenge. Okay, ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1, alright, Team Reren, Team Semi. Number 1, dribble ball, pass number 4. Number 4, dribble ball, pass number 2. Number 2, dribble ball, pass number 1. Pass number 3, pass number 2. Number 2, dribble ball, pass number 4. Number 4, dribble ball, pass number 5. Number 5, pass number 1. Number 1, dribble ball, pass number 3. Number 3, dribble ball, pass number 2. Pass number 4, pass number 4. Number 4, dribble ball, pass number 1. Number 1, dribble ball, shoot the ball! Shoot the ball! Okay! Alright, naunaan team! Reren, okay, 1 point! Okay, 10 puntos. Ganun lang po kadali ang ating game. Okay, sige. Bawat may mananalo, mag-rapol kayo ng pwesto. Okay, rapol ng pwesto. Okay, pass number 1. Okay, sino yung number 1 sa unahan? Okay, ready? Number 1, dribble ball, pass number 4. Number 4, dribble ball, pass number 2. Pass number 3, pass number 4. Pass number 1. Number 1, dribble ball, pass number 5. Number 5, hey! Getting. Pass number 1. Number 1, dribble ball, pass number 2. Pass number 3, pass number 3. Pass number 1. Number 1, and dribble ball, pass number 2. Number 2, dribble ball, pass number 4. Pass number 1. Pass number 1. Dribble ball, pass number 3. Pass number 4. Number 4, and shoot the ball! Shoot the ball! Alright, sino na? Okay, Team Semi. Okay, 1 point for Team Semi. Okay, parehas all-five. Okay, rapol ng pwesto. Okay, rapol ng pwesto. Rapol po ng pwesto. Okay, ready? Number 1, dribble ball, pass number 3. Number 3, dribble ball, pass number 2. Pass number 5, pass number 5. Number 5, dribble ball, pass number 1. Number 1, and pass number 2. Number 2, dribble ball, pass number 3. Pass number 2. Pass number 1. Pass number 4. Number 4, and pass number 1. Number 1, dribble ball, pass number 2. Pass number 5. Pass number 5. Number 5, and dribble ball, pass number 1. Number 1, shoot the ball! 2 points for Team Semi! Okay, 2 points. Isang puntos na lang panalo na kayo. Rapol ulit ng pwesto. Okay, kung sino po yung Okay, Mami and Daddy. Ano pang message ko para kay Ellen?
Kaya na ba? Ano ba? Wala. Continue na maging mabait silang bata. Malusog lagi, walang sakit. Tuparin lang nila yung pangarap nila. Ayan.
So, laging masaya lang. Ayun. Mag-aaral ng mabuti, ang dalawa. Pag-aaral na asenso sila sa sarili. Ayun.
Alright, okay. Thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy. And once again, happy birthday, Brianna and Sammy. Ang birthday wishes ko lang for both of us is a good health and syempre lumaking mabuting bata at naglaki. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Please start ready ng ating foods. For sure, nagutom namin ngayon sa aming games. Okay, meanwhile, everyone, enjoy the party.
Searching for now, but I have only reason. Keep you closer to my when the sun goes down.